Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Brio Direct. This is a new company that is offering a variety of financial services, including credit cards, loans, and insurance. I've been getting a lot of questions about Brio Direct lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the pros and cons of using Brio Direct, as well as my own personal experience with the company. So, let's get started. What is Brio Direct? Brio Direct is a new financial services company that was founded in 2018. The company offers a variety of financial products, including credit cards, loans, and insurance. Brio Direct is a subsidiary of Brio Credit Union, which is a federally chartered credit union with over 1 million members. Brio Credit Union has been in business for over 50 years and has a good reputation for providing safe and reliable financial services. Pros of using Brio Direct. There are a number of pros to using Brio Direct. One of the biggest pros is that the company offers a variety of financial products. This means that you can find a product that meets your specific needs. Another pro of using Brio Direct is that the company is a subsidiary of Brio Credit Union. This means that you can be confident that your money is safe with Brio Direct. Brio Direct also offers a number of customer service features, such as 24/7 customer support and online account management. Cons of using Brio Direct. There are also a number of cons to using Brio Direct. One of the biggest cons is that the company is a new company. This means that there is not a lot of information available about the company's track record. Another con of using Brio Direct is that the company's interest rates and fees can be higher than those of other financial institutions. My personal experience with Brio Direct. I have been using Brio Direct for about a year now. I have a credit card with Brio Direct and I am happy with the service. I have found that the customer service at Brio Direct is excellent. They are always available to answer my questions and help me with any problems I have. I have also found that the interest rates on my Brio Direct credit card are competitive. Overall, I have been happy with my experience with Brio Direct. I would recommend the company to anyone who is looking for a new financial institution. Is Brio Direct safe to use? Yes, I believe that Brio Direct is a safe company to use. The company is a subsidiary of Brio Credit Union, which is a well-established financial institution. Brio Direct also offers a number of customer service features that make it a safe choice for consumers. However, it is important to note that there are some risks associated with using any financial institution. These risks include the possibility of identity theft and fraud. You can help to protect yourself by being careful about sharing your personal information and by monitoring your accounts regularly. Overall, I believe that Brio Direct is a good option for consumers who are looking for a new financial institution. The company offers a variety of financial products, has a good reputation for customer service, and is a safe and secure company to use. However, it is important to do your research before you sign up for any financial product. This includes reading reviews of the company and understanding the terms and conditions of the product. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about Brio Direct. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.